Namaste EMO. My name is Sachin Sinha and I am the director of Air Seiki Private Limited, India. Pertaining to the contribution from India's side, I think that there has been a very good participation from the Indian manufacturers, and I think in last 5 to 10 years, if we see the machines which are manufactured in India or the systems which are manufactured in India are also, kind of competing with the world-class manufacturing systems. If I really have to talk about one technology which really hit me hard, I will talk about this particular machine, which is ANCA MicroX ULTRA. Now, it's a new launch from ANCA, and the machine is manufactured in Australia. And the beauty about this machine is that we know that the 3C industry, the consumer electronics, computer electronics, and communication electronics is growing at a very good pace. And this is the machine which actually caters to that and targets that particular 3C industry. And beautifully, the small size of tools, starting from 30 microns up to 6 millimeters, can actually be ground on this machine. And if you are really looking for a machine with the best available total cost of ownership in the tool manufacturing domain,